kami naligo. Ay, okay, yan. O, tingnan nyo, oh. Ang cute-cute yung video. Hello? Kitty, oh. The vacationista, yeah. And then, mag-eat na kami. Breakfast. Go, let's
Okay.
eat. Maayong buntag. Oh! So today is our last day here in Pearl Farm, the 5th day.
Maayong adlaw.
Ayong adlaw!
Bago nyo po panoorin ang buong videong ito, make it sure na napanood nyo na po our videos from
Day 1, Day 2, Day 3, Day 4. You're watching Day 5. Hello everyone! Hallucin!
welcome po sa aming
Day 5.
na pagstay dito sa isa sa best beach resorts here in Mindanao.
Philippines!
Walang iba kundi ang
Best Rich Resort!
To Papa. Ah? Pinapainom mo si Papa? Papa will drink? Papa will drink? Hi. It's our last day.
Not yummy. Nicht yummy.
Ay, bagong gising. 6 a.m. Parang 7 a.m. na yata. So, diretso kami sa pool and later na kami mag-eat. Ito, no? We have. Kasi until what time breakfast then? So, we have 2 hours. We have 2 hours pa. 2 hours
So,
more. No, 8. 8, 9. 8, 9. Yeah.
Ayun.
So, we have 2 hours pa. 10 minutes pa dito. We will see. Yan, banding nila and maliligo muna ako.
Masukkan stoy.
Ha? O ba yan? Tapos maliligo ako. Okay. Bye-bye na. Here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Shutsi. Door, Shutsi, door. Let's stay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Faith. Bye-bye, Shutsi. Tapos na kami naligo. Ay, okay, yan. O, tingnan nyo, oh. Ang cute-cute yung video. Hello? Kitty, oh. The vacationista, yeah. And then, mag-eat na kami. Breakfast. Okay, pwede. Loose kids? Yeah.
Yes, genau.
nandito na ang prinsesa ng Pearl Farm. Si Baby Fish. Baby Fish. Baby Fish. Baby Fish. Hello po.
Morning.
Yeah, so many steps. Here. Hi. Okay. Here the foods. Yeah, here, oh, you're ano, yeah. Thank you, sir, ha. Dili man good eating time niya ba? So, ay. See? And you're here. See? Your fruits. Thank you.
Balik kayo, mama.
Yes, Sir Clito. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sir Clito. Thanks. And of course, si Sir. Si Sir na nag-ano dito sa mo ang bread para kay baby. Na nagmipon. Ikaw ang siya sa bread. So, breakfast namin. Yan, si Baby Fit tapos na kumain. Okay. Ayun. It's the last day na. 50. Last day. 50. So, kakain na ako. Yun. And si Baby Fit here, kumakain na. Si Happy nandun pa. Kuha ng foods. Nandun. Okay. So, here. Yeah, eating time. My favorite, ampalaya. Yun. Walang ampalaya sa Germany. Walang mga Peter. Oh, hello! Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Oh, should say bye-bye na.
Hello.
Bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye na. 5 days.
After kumain ng breakfast, bumalik uli kami sa aming room at last to prepare our luggage and we are ready na to go out. Kaya eto, from day 1 to day 5 staycation here, tayo muna ay mag-recap bago tayo mag-room check-out. Kaya guys, check this out!
Yo, Angel 01, Team Tom Joe, and Familia Winkler. We're here in Pearl Farm Beach Resort. Here we go, come on!
Pearl Farm Beach Resort. Tara at punta, have fun, relax, enjoy sa Summer Island. Pearl Farm Beach Resort. Tara at punta, have fun, relax, enjoy sa Summer Island. Tara 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 tara. Tara 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 tara. Tara tara tara. Have fun, relax. Have fun, relax, enjoy. Pearl Farm Beach Resort. Tara at punta, have fun, relax, enjoy sa Summer Island. Pearl Farm Beach Resort. Tara at punta, have fun, enjoy sa summer island. Enjoy sa summer island. Have fun, relax. Have fun, relax. Enjoy sa summer island. Have fun, relax. Have fun, relax. Enjoy sa summer island. Pearl Palm Beach Resort. Tara at tulata. Have fun, relax. Enjoy sa summer island. Pearl Palm Beach Resort. Tara at tulata. Have fun, relax. Enjoy sa summer island.
I love you, Pearl Farm.
Tara tara tara.
I like you, Benson.
I love you, Pearl Farm.
Tara tara tara.
Angel 01
Tom.
with baby.
Cheese.
We are the team,
Benson.
the Familie,
Ninja.
from Germany with
Love.
Have fun, relax. Enjoy the summer island.
Shotzi, bye-bye.
It's really true na at Pearl Farm Beach Resort, every moment will someday make you look back and want to experience it all over again. And we are absolutely 100% sure that we will be happy to see you again.
Kuya Nelson in the house. Kuya Nelson, bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, mak high five, mak high five.
Make high five.
Yeah, bye-bye. Kaya gabi kayo na. Ay, nagipon sir eh. Magaling na ano gawin mi na late mi sa ano sa pa mahaw. Breakfast at si breakfast sa lunch. Grabe kainit. Grabe kay kainit. Sige sir. Opo. Sige po.
We will see us again.
Yes, bye-bye. We will see us again in our fourth time. Ay, si Sir Sa. Thank you, sir.
So this is it. Expenses reveal kamo or gastos reveal for 5 days and 4 nights staycation here in Pearl Farm Beach Resort. 67,600 pesos.
Or 1,165 euros.
Ang inclusions po dyan ay welcome amenities, full board meals with selected drinks,
a la carte,
round-trip airport transfers, round-trip boat transfers, Wi-Fi access in room and common areas.
Shotzi, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I will stay here.
Hello, thank you for all for the old friends. Tawaligi. Sir, na last time sa Sir Albert. Yes.
The price, the expenses, it's all worth it.
Sulit.
This 5-star beach resort is breathtaking beyond what the photos and videos can convey.
The place is really perfect.
Customer service?
Excellent.
Definitely, we had a great time and good experience here sa resort. Grabe kayo siya ka.
Nandot.
Ang mga staff nila, grabe kayo mo atiman ug perti ka.
Buotan.
Tara tara tara. Tara tara tara. Have fun, relax. Have fun, relax, enjoy. Winker family, Philippines and Germany. Have fun, relax, enjoy some among vlogs. Winker family, Philippines and Germany. Have fun, relax, enjoy sa among vlogs.
And absolutely, Pearl Farm Beach Resort gave us all the time a wonderful and good experience every time when we are here. Not only once, twice, but thrice. Kaya thanks Pearl Farm Beach Resort. Daghang salamat po.
Salamat po.
For sure, babalik kami dito for our 4th time at kasama na our second born baby.
Ayos.
Kaya see you next time.
Cheese.
Have fun, relax. Have fun, relax. Enjoy sa among vlogs. Winter family, Philippines and Germany. Have fun, relax. Enjoy sa among vlogs. Winter family, Philippines and Germany. Have fun, relax. Enjoy sa among vlogs.